To module 11, we need to select the 3.jpg file. Go ahead and open it in Adobe Photoshop 2025. First tool we're going to learn is our Dodge tool. So let's go ahead with our rectangle marquee. We want to select part of these peacock feathers. With the background selected, Command C to copy, Command V to paste. Select your move tool and let's move it over here. Command T to transform to make it smaller. Let's go ahead and zoom in. So the Dodge tool keyboard shortcut is O. It's the first option if you click and hold, and you can see how tiny it is. You can make it larger. The Dodge tool basically takes an area and it makes it lighter. So I'm going to actually right click duplicate this layer just to show you. Okay, so I'm going to click and just highlight the edge of these feathers just to make it pop a little bit more. And you can do this, sometimes you need to highlight areas like of an eye, or if you want to highlight, make a shadow less dark. I sometimes do that when I'm doing touch-ups. Like I'll make shadows lighter, and that's what I use the Dodge tool for. Or if you just want to make an area a little bit lighter and add highlights. Okay, so you can see if I hit the eyeball, you can see the before and after. So it just adds a little bit of definition. Okay, so go ahead and click Shift Command 4 to take a screenshot to upload to eCadence.